The Daily Download. The Daily Download. Daily Download. With Mac and Gatos. The biggest stories now.
No.
Okay.
Nobody cares about the regular people.
Right. Coach Sandusky's Second Mile charity didn't tell donors about the sex abuse investigation.
Yeah, it seems that the no donors found out that the coach was being investigated for the child molestation, and they continued to solicit contributions.
I mean, that doesn't surprise me. This thing has been a horrible cover-up from the very beginning.
But doesn't that go without saying, though, that maybe they shouldn't let them know because they're not going to get any money? And until the coach is proven guilty or innocent, don't you want to keep that charity alive and get money?
If you are running a charity and you do not tell the donors and you are not open with them, you are lying to them. You have to tell them what is going on. And if you
Even
don't,
if it turns out not to be true, like let's
you've
say
got to
he
say that
skates on every count.
There's an investigation going on for child molestation. You have to say that.
Why?
Because
you want the charity to survive, right?
If I am a donor,
Right.
I'm being duped now. I should know everything about where my money is going.
Okay.
And if I don't like where my money is going, I'll give you a perfect example. I stopped going to the Catholic Church. Why? Because of the sex scandal. I stopped giving money to the Catholic Church. Why? Because of the sex scandal. I mean, I didn't want to be a part of it. If I'm a donor for this Second Mile charity and I don't know about these abuse investigations, I'm ticked off because I've given you money. Bottom line.
Is the Catholic Church giving your money?
No baby mama drama for Bieber.
Yeah, Justin Bieber's mama drama, the paternity lawsuit has been dismissed.
I thought this was horrible. I really did. I thought this was disgusting. I actually believed Justin Bieber when he said on the Today Show, and I believe Ann Curry had a great interview.
Oh, gee. That's it. Ann Curry? Ann Curry gets this story.
When Bieber comes out on national television and says,
she's a fraud.
I've never met the woman, and I'll take a paternity test.
But we've heard this before from singers, actors, people of power. I never met that woman. I don't know who you're speaking of. John Edwards. John Edwards had a baby with somebody and kept saying deny.
He's a dirty politician. That's why.
No, Ann Curry didn't interview him. That's how he didn't get. That's how he didn't skate free. That's how. Ann Curry's your secret. Is that John Edwards?
Hey, listen, the three of us aren't going to really figure out why Justin Bieber is such a huge hit and he has staying power, but this guy is a millionaire. And
that's an unfortunate
over and over and over. He's not going anywhere, and it seems that he has the right people around him that are protecting him.
Yeah.
And I think he should go after this woman.
Well, for fraud or something?
Term.
Yeah, really.
No, I think he should
fraud?
absolutely sue the crap out of this woman for claiming and besmirching his name.
Defamation of character?
Right,
yeah.
And he's got the lawyers to do it.
And I hope he goes and does that.
One.
So a man shoots and hits the window of the White House. This is in the residence area, right?
Yeah, and it was stopped by the bulletproof glass. I mean, the White House is a fortress, okay? Some people will try and take a shot just to see what happens, and everywhere around the house it's bulletproof glass. That's the safest place in the world to be with all that security. Your Secret Service, there are people with guns ready to go. I mean, that is one of the safest places to be.
Don't step on the White House lawn.
Absolutely
You'll be tackled.
not. Absolutely not. You'll get crushed.
Yeah.
You may get shot.
The 21-year-old is suspected of being mentally ill. He has an extensive record. Oscar Ortega has drug charges, domestic violence charges. Sources say a police investigation uncovered evidence suggesting Ortega has a fixation with the White House.
He was taken into custody based on a shooting that occurred at the White House on November 11th, 2011.
So November 11th, they got this guy pretty quick.
Yeah.
I mean, that shows you what you're dealing with. You're dealing with the best security in the world. You want to, unfortunately, the guy said he's mentally ill.
Right, so it's nothing about Occupy Wall Street. It's nothing about the economy.
No.
The guy just has a fixation. At least this is what Secret Service is saying.
Yeah, you take a shot at the White House, you're going to get caught in a matter of hours.
Right, the guy has a fixation, so, no harm, no foul. Let's move on. It's not a conspiracy theory. No big deal.
It's just one guy.
Right.
All right, that is the Daily Download, the single most entertaining segment on the radio today. Where
else are you going to hear Justin Bieber?
You're not. Where we count down the 5 biggest stories of the day, baby.
And you don't get why this guy has staying power?
No, I do.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, we're not fans of his, but there's no doubt why he has staying power. The Little girls just love them.
Perfect night, Justin Bieber on the iPod, looking into Bradley Cooper's eyes.
In a
Perfect
bath.
night.
In a bathtub.
And him speaking French.
Okay, I'm grossed out. Yeah. Okay.